so pretty. We had to like nigga rig the whole little base thing. But look. She acted like she was gonna give me a fucking melon. I'm like, nigga, what the fuck we gonna do with a melon? We don't even have a real knife. But hey y'all. Welcome back. So this is day 1. We're gonna be here for 4 days. This is the hat she gave me. She gifted me for my bald head, small head. So I put it on because I was sweating. But we doing hookah. We got some tacos. We about to probably like get ready to go out. She got some ganja with some stale cigars. What you call them, gars? I don't know if that's a South Carolina thing, but so yeah, we just chilling. We going out tonight. If you would have felt, you would have pissed me off. This do not I would have been so fucking concerned.
Oh, that shit funny as fuck.
I should have like recorded her ass, but we going out tonight.
He's so classy. He got a top couple.
Yeah, so he's so classy. So our little hotel guy, Lil Boo, hooked us up. You didn't even ask him did he want to go somewhere. Like, well, I'll call him though, but I wouldn't like do it in front of his because I don't even know.
He was a client or customer.
Yeah, but Ray want to hang out with him because he's a black dude. You know how black people be when they be on vacation. Cousin, that's how Ray feel like cousin.
From another mister.
Exactly. So we got tacos. We probably finna eat, get ready, and then honestly go out, pop y'all up. She told me she wasn't. I don't know. Look, I said not me telling. You said not me telling the world you smoke. But I don't know why it's doing that. Like, but Ray told me she wasn't.
Protect my privacy.
She wasn't smoking, and she is. But that's okay. I don't care about that. I really don't. She bought me flowers. She take care of me. She bought me motherfucking lunch. Real daddy energy. You hear me? I told y'all I'm in my courted season. I'm wifey material.
Come on now.
Right.
Don't put me on the camera.
But don't talk shit and you don't think that they need to see what the fuck you talking about. But anyway. So that's how we doing, y'all. Like my hair kind of sweated out. Whatever. I'm gonna fix it and then.
How I'ma light this shit?
I got a lighter. Babe, I got a lighter.
Damn. You're so perfect. You're so perfect.
Got a lighter and I'm perfect.
There you go.
Say I'm perfect again. Put it. Say it. Say it.
You're perfect.
Period. Period, house.
Period,
house. Okay, bye, y'all. You so cute.
What you drinking?
This is a strawberry Patron margarita. And then Ray got a frozen margarita, right? Strawberry margarita.
Alright. Cheers.
Ooh, it's bomb.
Yeah? It's strong.
Yeah. It's bomb.
Try this.
Yeah, it's strong as hell. You know I was about to do my little thing. That shit is strong. It hits you after. You need to mix this up or you're gonna be drunk.
Look at her trying to take care of me, y'all.
Yeah. Thank you. You getting the food? Why did you put the hand sanitizer on there? I didn't finish telling my story. I'm gonna tell them when we get back. Why is that Walgreens so fancy?
Because we in New York.
Like
Museum.
literally. Starbucks. We gotta get some Starbucks at least before we go back to the room.
What's your favorite Starbucks drink?
Right now, I'm very much into the vanilla bean with coffee instead of the little white foam stuff they put in it. I like coffee with it. What's yours?
Caramel macchiato. Basic.
I gotta get you so you can say it on camera.
No.
Yes.
It's your YouTube.
You was making me nervous.
Why?
Walking like that. Because you are.
I'm so talented.
You know we can just like put it to it. I can hold it.
I'm sure you can. Okay. Here, I gotta take a picture of this. Stop it. The I love New York cheese.
On the go board over here. Look at it, big time. God loves South America. God loves Antarctica. Most of all, New York. God loves you. Hey, ladies. Hello. Hi. Hello, my friend.
No, thank you. No, thank you. But let me see it. Ray got tickets for the bus. At first, we thought they was about to try to do some scam and stuff, but basically they was just trying to get commission, like one ticket. But so we're on the bus about to take a tour, I guess, of New York City. Then they gonna bring us back here. All right. So she wants to record me, but I'm like, we could just like face it towards us and get all of this action. But yo, y'all, we in Times Square at this point because look at the big
Yeah.
So let me show y'all. Let's get in there because my battery about to. You go down. Come on. Thank you. Hi, I wanted to see which floor do we go to so we can like get like I guess the kids, like the different.
Are you upstairs? Second floor.
The second floor. How do I get there?
The escalator.
Just go on.
Okay. Escalator is right there, or you can take the elevator right here.
Okay. What color blue? So, got my favorite color purple. Like everybody has a camera or taking pictures. Yeah, exactly. And cheers. Cheers. Look at my napkin. Cheers. Enjoy. Thank you. Is that a grapefruit on top?
That's our blood orange, and we make it at home. So we just cut them up, put them in the oven. I want to just go over the cocktails one more time because
This is a homemade habanero.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Y'all, excuse me, but I want to show y'all how this is the Skims outfit. You see? I'm not mad at it. It's giving swimsuit vibes, but sexy lingerie. What you think about it, Ray?
You already know what I think about it.
Tell the people.
I love it. It's a beautiful color.
I just want to show y'all, but so I thought that the bra that I got was gonna be too small, cause yeah, my titties is big, but I'm not mad at it. Like, but next time I order a bra from them, I'm definitely gonna go like size up, cause this is an extra large. I would definitely go with a size up, and with the thong high waisted, they fit great. So I'll definitely continue this size, and this size is a extra large. We is cleaning up, and you got your wallet?
Yeah, I got it.
We packing up because I'm talking about we. Ray packing up because she leaving me.
Unfortunately.
Let me tell you something. When you get courted, get you bitches that's gonna fly out. Gonna fly the fuck out for her. You got back.
I catch a flight anytime.
You catch a flight anytime.
Anytime, baby.
This one on the vlog. They gotta hear you say it because you been acting real shady in them other posts when I be like, say hey to my people. You be real fucking shady. And then she be trying to act like she don't really like me or something.
Oh my goodness. I do all of that.
Yeah.
What? I'm a horrible person.
The worst. The fuck?
Whoa.
But we didn't get no footage yesterday, but y'all, it was a vibe. Like we literally was outside, the sun was going down, we was drinking. I'ma post y'all. I'ma post my what I'm post. I'm gonna post the guy that I work with, my coworker. He was drunk. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for my latest updates. Bye.